You've probably heard all the buzz about ceramic coatings for cars. People swear by it, claiming it gives your car a super sleek finish, protects the paint, and makes washing a breeze. It sounds like the perfect solution to all your car care problems, right? But here's the thing. Is ceramic coating really worth the money? Or is it just another overhyped trend? In today's video, we're going to break it down for you. We'll cover the 10 main reasons why ceramic coating might not be the money saver or game changer you thought it would be. So, before you rush off to spend big bucks on this service, stick around and hear why you might want to reconsider. Let's jump right in. 10. It's not a magic solution. First of all, let's talk about what ceramic coating actually does. The key selling point is its ability to create a protective layer over your car's paint. This layer helps with things like water beading, UV protection, and making dirt and grime easier to clean off. But let's be clear, ceramic coating isn't a magic fix for everything. While it does offer protection, it won't prevent scratches, chips, or dents. The reality is that ceramic coatings work best for minor protection, like repelling water and making it easier to clean your car. But they won't save you from a run-in with a shopping cart, or that unfortunate moment when your key slips out of your pocket. So, don't expect a perfectly protected car just because it's coated. 9. High initial costs. Let's talk about the price. Ceramic coating services can cost anywhere from $500 to $2,000, depending on the brand of the coating, the size of your car, and whether you're getting a professional service or doing it yourself. While you might think you're investing in your car's future, the truth is you could put that money toward other, more effective forms of car protection or maintenance. Yes, some coatings claim to last for years, but it's important to realize that the initial cost might not be worth it, especially when there are more affordable alternatives that could give you similar results. If you're someone on a budget, this might not be the best place to spend your money. 8. Maintenance can be a hassle. You'd think that ceramic-coated cars would be a breeze to maintain, but that's not always the case. While it's true that dirt and water are less likely to stick, that doesn't mean you can forget about washing and waxing your car. In fact, ceramic-coated cars often require regular maintenance to keep the coating in top shape. This means you still need to regularly wash your car to prevent contaminants from building up. Plus, some coatings need to be topped off or reapplied every few months, depending on the type of coating you get. If you're expecting a truly low-maintenance vehicle, ceramic coating may not be as set it and forget it as advertised. 7. Not a replacement for proper care. Ceramic coating is often marketed as a quick fix for people who want to protect their car but don't want to put in the effort. However, it's important to remember that regular care is still necessary. For example, even with ceramic coating, you'll need to clean and maintain the car's interior, tires, and other components. While the coating may help with the paint, it's not a substitute for regular detailing and proper maintenance. If you're hoping that ceramic coating will take care of all aspects of your car's upkeep, you'll likely be disappointed. Number 6. You can't apply it to a dirty car. If you're thinking of DIYing your ceramic coating, think again. Prepping your car is a crucial part of the process. To get the most out of a ceramic coating, your car's paint needs to be in top condition before application. That means no dirt, grime, or imperfections on the surface. Before applying the coating, you'll need to do a thorough wash, clay bar treatment, and polish your car. This process can take several hours, and if you skip it, your ceramic coating won't adhere properly or last as long. For those who aren't ready to put in the time and effort, you may end up wasting money on a product that doesn't even work to its full potential. 5. Limited durability. While ceramic coatings claim to last anywhere from 1 to 5 years, their longevity can vary significantly depending on how well you take care of the car. As mentioned earlier, the coating requires ongoing maintenance to keep it intact. Exposure to harsh weather, frequent washing, and general wear and tear can all shorten the lifespan of the coating. Additionally, not all coatings are created equal. Cheaper coatings may wear off more quickly, leading to a reduced effect and possibly costing you more in the long run. So while the promise of long-lasting protection sounds great, the reality is that it may not hold up as well as you'd like. 4. It can be hard to find a quality service. One of the biggest issues with ceramic coating is finding a reliable and experienced service provider. There's no shortage of companies claiming to offer top-notch ceramic coating, but not all of them have the skills, knowledge, or equipment to apply it properly. If the coating is applied incorrectly or unevenly, it can cause streaking, cloudiness, or uneven protection, which defeats the entire purpose. The last thing you want is to pay for a service that leaves your car looking worse than before. That's why it's important to do thorough research and check reviews before choosing a ceramic coating provider. 3. The DIY route can be tricky. On the other hand, if you're considering applying the ceramic coating yourself, there's a steep learning curve. Applying ceramic coating at home may seem like a good way to save money, but it's not as easy as just spraying it on and wiping it off. You need the right tools, knowledge, and a lot of patience. There are several steps involved in the DIY process, including thorough cleaning, proper application techniques, and waiting for the coating to cure. If you make mistakes along the way, you could end up with an uneven coating or spots that don't last as long. So, unless you're ready to put in the work and time to learn the process, you might want to leave it to the pros or skip it altogether. 2. Overhyped marketing. A lot of the hype around ceramic coating comes from aggressive marketing campaigns with companies promising a forever shine and unbeatable protection. But when you get down to the details, these claims often fall short. The truth is, no product is perfect, and ceramic coatings are no exception. Many people expect too much from ceramic coatings, thinking they'll solve all of their car's problems. However, after spending a lot of money, they find that the coating doesn't live up to the promises. Yes, it's better than nothing, but don't expect it to solve all your car care issues, especially if you're looking for a true, no-maintenance solution. 1. There are more affordable alternatives. Finally, let's talk about alternatives. If you're looking to protect your car's paint and keep it shiny, there are plenty of other options out there that don't come with the hefty price tag of ceramic coating. Regular waxing, for instance, is a much cheaper alternative that still offers some protection against dirt, water, and UV rays. It won't be as long-lasting as a ceramic coating, but with regular upkeep, it can do the job just fine. Paint sealants and other protective products can also help maintain your car's look without the expensive investment. While none of these options offer the same level of protection as ceramic coatings, they do provide a more budget-friendly and lower-maintenance way to care for your car. So if you're just looking for a quick fix to keep your car looking good, these alternatives might be a better option. Conclusion. So, is ceramic coating worth the money? In short, it really depends on your expectations. While it offers some benefits, such as making your car easier to clean and giving it a glossy finish, it's far from a magic solution. The high costs, ongoing maintenance requirements, and the potential for poor results if applied incorrectly make it less of a must-have for most car owners. Instead, consider the alternatives: regular waxing, paint sealants, and more affordable ways to protect your car's paint. If you're willing to invest time and effort into proper care, you can keep your car looking great without the hefty price tag of ceramic coating. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more car tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.